Hey guys, it's Kashif and welcome to the Test Prep Pundits SAT Bootcamp. Last time I showed you a simple method to solve ratio and proportion questions and I asked you to solve this question. Then I asked you to solve this question right here. If you were unable to solve the question, don't feel sad. I'm going to show you how to do it. And if you were, don't be so sure of your answer. You may have made a little mistake at the end that would cost you some points. If your answer is A, you're wrong. I'm going to show you why. 3 gallons of paint are needed for a wall that is 100 square feet. How many gallons of paint must be purchased at the store for 480 square feet of wall space? This is a proportion and you can write it like so. Last time I showed you how we can write proportions as divisions. 3 by 100 is equals to x by 480. Take the 480 to the other side and we're gonna get 144 divided by 10. This is 14.4. Therefore, x is 14.4. Now, just off of this, you would mark the answer as 14.4. But all the answer choices are in whole numbers 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So, what do? You can't buy 14 cans because you're going to have 0.4 cans worth of wall space unpainted. You need to paint the whole wall. You can't buy 14.4 cans because that's just stupid. You can't go to a store and ask them to give you 14.4 cans or 3.5 cans. You can only buy a whole number of cans. So what do? You would buy 15 cans and you'd have 0.6 cans of paint left over, but you'd be able to paint the whole wall space. Since this is a question that involves real life logic, you need to think like it's real life. You need to apply your critical thinking skills and realize that I need to buy 15 cans of paint so that I can paint this entire wall without leaving out any part of it. So the answer is 15. Be mindful of real life logic when dealing with questions involving real world situations. Now that I showed you that question, can you solve this question right here? It's really easy and I hope you're able to solve it after I showed you the last two questions. This is the last question in the ratio and proportion series. I'll see you